Hey everybody, this is Laurel from the North Raleigh Seed Library, and I'm making a really quick video, just a short, to tell you, do you know what I realized this morning? I had to come out and weed a little bit because we had some rain. Yay for rain! And I need to clean up some plants that have just sort of gotten carried away, and that would be those. And so everybody's got that space, right? The space that just kind of tends to get a little bit overgrown, and you just have to go in and manage it from time to time. Well, this is my little space, and while it's got some wonderful plants in there, they've just kind of gotten taken over. Plus, having all of this eat into this space, it was time for me to do a little weeding. So I got in there this morning, and you know what I realized? I have my own plant store. I had no idea. So I was able to pull out Joe Pye weed. I pulled out some forsythia. I pulled out spirea. I pulled out all these little outliers that were just hidden in there. Can you see it? No, I don't have my selfie stick. I'm being lazy. But I wanted to tell you, because if you have like 5 minutes to run in your yard after it rains and yank a few weeds, I bet you find your own plant store in there. And those plants, if you don't need them in that space, you can replant in your yard or share them with a friend or bring them to the seed library. So go shopping in your yard. It's free. See ya. Have a great day.